For land use, land cover classifications, and other GIS remote sensing applications, the first requirement is to have an image. So in this video, we will learn about how to download image from Earth Explorer. So let's begin. So this is our study area. This is a Toronto city of Canada. For download this area, now go to the web browser. Now write as Earth Explorer. Earth Explorer USGS. Now just click the Earth Explorer USGS.gov. First, we have to log in. Now just click the login button. Now, if you already have an account in Earth Explorer, just click the username and the password. If you don't have the account, just click the create a new account. So I already have an account in Earth Explorer, so I log in my account. Now click the sign in. So you see, I'm logging in this site. Now, if you know your location, where is it? Now just click the area you want, or you can just go to the KML or shape file upload. Now select the file. This is my AOI or area of interest. Okay, just click the KML file and open. So it will be, this is my study area. Okay, so I want to download this portion of the image. Now go to the dataset. So if you want to download a Sentinel image or others image, or if you want to download a DEM image, then you can go to that portion, or this is the digital elevation or DEM. So I want to download the Landsat image, so I'm going to the Landsat 8 OLI image. Now go to check the button. Now click the additional criteria. So if you want a specific date, then just click the date in here. If you don't, then just go to the results. So you see that there is lots of image in this specific location. So you can download any image from here you want. Now just click the footprint button. It will show where the image is. This is the image location, and just click the show overlay. So you see that there was the image. Now just click the metadata or see the metadata file of this specific image. This is the acquisition date or other attribute or this image you can see here. Just click the close button, and this is the download option. Now click it. So if you want a GeoTIFF image, then click the download button. Now you can see the download started. So you can see this download started. It will take 1 to 2 hours. Okay, then the image was downloaded. So this is the downloaded image. Now just click in this file, right click on it, then you can just click the extract file or extract here. Now just click the extract here. So this is the RAR file, or you can say it is a zip file. So it is unzipped in here. So in this Landsat image, so you can find there are also total 12 bands. So in the next video we will learn about how to layer stacking in the address imaging. So तब तक के लिए नमस्कार, thank you.